Really quick video just to give you just a sneak peek snapshot of what's going on inside of Danielle's tech team. Whoop whoop. So if you're not in my tech team, don't try to sneak in because you can't get in. It's my private group for those who are looking to make money with Shopify, learning how this internet marketing stuff works. As you can see, I got 84 people who want to join this group, but they have to get past my security guard because they are not going to be let in unless they are officially part of my tech team, which is a free process. But I literally, look through my list and I make sure that everyone that belongs in my group is there, and those who don't belong won't get in. So I'm shooting this video just to show you what's going on really quickly, just to share with you what is possible when you lock arms and when you follow the steps, follow the blueprint, and take action. So, this is just a sneak peek. I critique and I give feedback to people's Shopify stores. As you can see, I got 40 people so far that have left their Shopify stores here. We welcome new members. But what I want to show you right now are some sales. Just by being in this group, by being a part of this challenge, this is what's happening. Neil just made his sale. This is just 18 hours ago. Sale, right? Sale. I also have a thread. Every day we post a thread for people to post their sales. And guess what? My team is on fire. We're on fire because we are excited and we see the possibilities. Look at this sale. Thanks to Danielle for helping me get unstuck. She really helps people get past any wall. Beth, she's almost at $500. Now, mind you, a month ago, and we're having sales. Keisha, she just reached her milestone of her first $100. So listen, if you want to know how to make money with Shopify, look at Jamie. She had a bit of a dry spell, but boom, a sale finally came in this morning and her drought has been broken. People are getting engagements on their fan pages. They're learning, they're growing, they're implementing, they're making sales, and they are rocking and rolling. And it's only because they are a member of Danielle's tech team. Look at this, Sonia. So there's, tons upon tons of feedback and tons upon tons of sales, and you are seriously ready and you want to know how to make money with Shopify, how to finally break through with this internet marketing stuff, how you can hear that cha-ching like so many people are hearing that sound on their phone. And when I say I'm just scrolling, the results go on and on and on and on, right? It's not just one person getting sales, not just two people. The results are ongoing. And if you want to be a part of this momentum, if you want to capitalize on what's going on, if you want to learn how to make money with Shopify, if you want to hear that ka-ching, if you want to make your first sale on the internet where so many people are making not their first sale, not their second sale, but so many sales making hundreds of dollars, then you are going and click on that link. If you're not on my email list, there should be a link around this video for you to join my email list. Okay. So that being said, I'll talk to you soon.